Hi Crazy Cuties, welcome back. So today is another makeup therapy session where I play with makeup and talk what's going through my little head of mine. So yes, so if you here to watch, make sure you grab a snack, grab a drink, and just have a blast. Just hearing me out. Or you want to play with makeup along with me, bring out your makeup because we can have a little fun together. I haven't played this palette for a while. It's the Aurora Struck palette. I haven't played with this in a while. I thought to bring this out because my friend Heidi got this palette during when like last week or so for Colourpop when she did a haul for herself, and I was just like, I haven't played this in a while, so I thought might as well. The last time I played with this was like a few months ago, and I did a collab with my friend Christine, and of course I will put her channel down below in our videos. I will put down her channel and plus her video for it, and also I would put my video down for the collab because me and her missed out the first time, and then the second time they came bring it back, like me and her both freaking grabbed it and like, yes, we want this palette, and we both decided to do a collab together with it. So yeah. And Christine, we need to do a collab together. We definitely need to do a collab together because I missed you, girl. I really do miss my witchy sister, Christine. So I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna go for. I might go with the gray tones. Might as well. But yeah, I'm gonna try out this new highlighter from Wetnwild. It's the Chameleon Chrome highlighter. I got the blue one. I want to play with that too. And I want to get the green one. I got this at Walmart. I need to get it or anything else. But yeah, there's so many products. There's so many things out and about. And it's just like, I want them all. I won't mention what colors or what products. I'm just going to go ahead and play. That's how I tend to do. Of course, all the products I've used in this video will be down below. There will be Amazon links. There are just affiliate links that just help me out with this channel up and get new products for me to try. But yeah, so how's the lighting going for right now? Hopefully the lighting is not, crappy, because I'm getting better with that color. So new products from different brands. I'm just like, okay, I need to get that. I want that. And sometimes it's limited edition, and I don't like getting limited edition palettes because you don't ever see them ever again. And I'm like, I know, but I still have to get the NYX cosmetic one because I like that color scheme. And I did get the Tarte one. I'm definitely gonna play with the Tarte, but usually when I do that, it's just, I have so many eyeshadow palettes that I'm just like, I need to start using the ones I already have. And it's what I tend to do with my makeup therapy videos that I do. It's just where I just use the products and relove them. Like, why did I get this? Why did I buy it? So, and sometimes I forget. You've got new products coming out. It's just like so many new products and new formulas are coming out, and you forget why you bought it for. And for me, I don't mind getting new products, like new eyeshadow colors or anything. It's so hard to find colors. These colors are so pretty in this palette, and I love the formulas of these. And it's just an awe. I'm gonna do a different technique, you can say, because I don't want to go just like really too dark. But you know what? One of those days, like, oh, should I not, type of deal. And like, I don't see anybody creating makeup anymore, like just having fun and having a blast. I love creating makeup and having fun and just, just having fun with it. But it is what it is. Like, I don't, like, that's what I'm doing these. Like, you only see reviews a lot of people use, and they just like, oh, and they don't talk about the brands. Like, they don't talk about the products anymore. You only see them once or twice, and then you never see it. And it's like, oh, and there we go. Never hear it from again, And I don't want to do that. Alright, that's why I stopped doing reviews and just buying products. You know what drives me nuts? That ruffles my feathers? When you try to do something because that person complains about it and you try to still do it and you do it every single and that person still complains. What the heck? Okay, I'm gonna try this green color. It has like the glitter in it with the some matte with the shimmers, which I don't care for. I really don't like that formula. But going back to what I was saying, it's just things going through. You know, I'm not gonna say anything out loud or anything because not really nobody's business. But yeah, that's what I'm going through. It drives me nuts. It kind of reminds me of, you know, what I had to deal with when I was a teenager. It's like my abuser complained about things, and when I'm trying, you know, I'm doing what she asked me to do and everything, and she still complains. I'm like, never gonna make you happy, is it? And I come to realize it. No matter what you do or don't do, someone's gonna complain about it. I think that's what I'm gonna go for. No matter what you do or don't do, somebody's gonna complain. If you do it, someone's gonna bitch. If you don't do it, another person's gonna bitch. It's like, stop listening to what others has to say and just do you. That's how I feel about it. I don't like when people do. They complain and you're trying to fix it and they still complain. It's just like, what's the point of doing it if you're still gonna complain? Or do it yourself, basically. I've actually told people, like, if you don't like how I do it, then do it yourself. Because I'm not going to do whatever the hell you want me to do every single time. I've told that to my brother, I've told that to my sister, I've told that to my friends. I'm like, no. If I'm not going to satisfy you no matter what, I'm not going to do it. And I'm going to satisfy myself. Now, in my relationship, I don't have no problem with that. Like, we talk, we have discussions, but I will never say that, oh, you do, if you don't like it, don't. No. He's very understanding, and he'll rather just do it himself anyway. And yes, this is going to be like a really great song. But, like, we talk like, I don't know if I use this shade. No, I didn't use this shade at all. Stormy much. It should be with your friends. It should be good with your co-workers. I think it should be just having that conversation and just communicate. Like, I have a bad time at communicating, okay? I do. Unless I get irritated and I get pee off about it. And it's like, I get angry and I shouldn't do that because, you know, that. But that's just, I feel like if I do talk, nobody will actually listen to me. And that's my biggest fear. And that's what happened. I was going through the abuse I was dealing with for 6 years, that no one was willing to listen to me. And I was in the wrong to have that. Like, no matter what, oh, you shouldn't be feeling that way because of this. Oh, this and that. Oh, it's just this and that. Like, let my feelings be validated and like, okay, I understand why you're feeling this, but it's not to, you know, have that. But sometimes having someone to listen to you and just like, okay, to me that's the thing. I'm always like, I don't have that fear with my boyfriend at all. I'm grateful for. That's one thing about him. I told him, I said, you know something going on with me, and I'm not saying nothing, and never forced me to say it, because I'm not really good with communication. Like, even ask my family members who like knows me knows that I have a hard time communicating. Now I don't know what kind of shimmer I'm gonna be using. Might do something with that. I don't know. You know what? Let's do a white eyeshadow. Do a white eyeshadow and use that. That think be cool to do. Because I have something that could work with this palette, but or we can use like a blue. Don't have a good white eyeshadow base. Except for this. That's what I'm looking. I don't. And then we're just gonna see if we can, like, I don't know, blend that out some. This is an idea. I want to see if you can actually do that. I want to find some pigments like this, like can have that white base. There's an eyeshadow palette that's coming out from an indie brand. I never tried them, but it has something like that, and you can pop it on there. And I'm very excited because I actually want to get it now because of this idea. Just do you, like, same with the makeup. If you like the makeup that you put it on, just do it. Just have fun with it and have a blast. So that makeup is experimenting. This is me experimenting, okay? This is me experimenting. We're going to use Journeys. This is that light blue color. And I'm just going to pack it. They have a green one. You know what they should have done? I mean, I think they should have kept this. If it's a limited edition, don't make it as a limited edition. I think they should do something similar with their eyeshadows. Very cool, Tom. But I think if you could do with any, like a reflective, like Creme, like a chrome eyeshadow like this, I think that would work. Using this. I don't know if this is eye safe. Gives you an idea because this has it's a white base, but it has a blue reflective to it. But I love experimenting colors. Yes, I put my mascara before I do anything because I find it's just easier that way. I'm definitely will get some lashes because I think these will be so pretty lashes. And I like how this color is just, so I don't know if you can really see it. And it sucks that you can't really see it. If you go with this one, it'd be like way too dark. And I haven't played with this in a while. It's the hard candy one. And this is the cookies and cream no Budge eyeshadow stick. And I haven't played with this in a long time, but that will work with this. Playing with cool tones like this is so cool. Like you don't even know what color colors like. Even it has a green shimmer. Go with like a this would be that shimmer will look so beautiful with like a darker blue. Oh my god, I got so many ideas with that okay. Listen. I do have other shimmers that has a palette that has that white undertone base. And that would work too. Any highlighter that has a mode like a chrome highlighter, just pop it up on your eyes. Okay. This stuff is almost gone. I am so sad about it. I have other primers I have to go through anyway. Will I repurchase it? Because I got that during Ipsy, one of the Ipsy bags. I don't know when. I would definitely purchase it because it's really good. My makeup with this primer lasts like, oh my gosh, a long time. Which is where's my foundation that I have? Oh, there we go. I'm still there's a good bit in here. I love this foundation from Makeup Revolution, but you can't find this at Ulta. You have to buy it online. You have to buy this specific foundation online. I'm like, why? But I still have to try this one out to see if I like it or not. This is an in real life filter, IRL. And I'm just like, I still gotta use it and see. Because I wanted to try. I think I got it during, I think Ulta. I love the Revolution. This is like my perfect shade. So no matter what foundation I get from them, I know what shade to use. Like I don't like it when brands come out with new foundations and their foundation shades are somewhat different. And I just don't like that. Revolution is kind of making me mad a little bit. Even though I love this brand so much. I don't know what's going on, but I have ordered some products less than 2 months ago, December 30th, and that's when I ordered it. And I've been waiting it for since then. But they had a really good sale, light chance sales, and I wanted their Forever palettes. I love the storyline. I love their color stories on the Forever Flawless palettes. I have to get their newest ones they came out with, but I'm gonna have to wait until this order comes in before I order it, because I never had a problem with them before. I'm not using the pink because the new setting one is because now they have a new one. It's from, I think from LA Girl. They have a blue one, and I want to try it to see how that works on the skin. Like, I don't mind trying new setting powders, because with the pink, if I do something like a pink underneath this color, it will not come out really good, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going with my trusty white Ghosty, because it does a really good job of setting the skin and brighten it up just a tad bit. Going back to what I was saying about communication, should communicate. I think communicating is just the best way instead of holding it in. You're talking to someone. I'm just someone who's went through a lot of crap in her life. I did not ask for it, but I don't let things get to me. Like, I just don't. I just, like, anything that people trying to bring down on me. Sorry, I got hair. Trying to bring down on me and trying to tell me how I should live my life. It's like, you don't know my life. So, and you don't know me. Like, I'm going to do the heck I want to do, if you like it or not. I'm not hurting nobody. I'm not planning to hurt anybody. I'm going to live my life. How I want to live my life. And I don't care if anybody has a problem with it. I want to live my life how I want to live my life. I love this stuff. I would say it's a lot better than Perfusion. That tells you a lot, because I love Perfusion. Now, with the blush, I don't normally use, like, much of a blush. I don't know. I do want to use this highlighter. We're not going to use a blush. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. But you know what? You can definitely see that blue. Ooh. Yep, you can see that blue. I like that. Now for the lips. We're going to use something like a peachy nude. It's the lipstick in Boardwalk? Boardwalk? Not rock. I don't know why I said that. It's their butter lipsticks, which I love. But yeah, I like this look. I like the funs of it. I mean, I really do. This is such a fun look. I'm so glad I got this. Now I want to get the green one. Now I have to get the green one, because this is awesome to do something like this. And I feel like I need to wash my hand. But yeah, communicating and having fun doing whatever. Like, do what makes you happy. And communicate with people. I think you can take away this, what I'm have this distorted. But yeah, it's been a while. I've been so excited. Like, it's been a while. Like, I can't always get excited, don't get me wrong. But trying out something different and try something new. This is it for today's session, makeup therapy session. Thank you for coming to talk, chat with me, play with makeup, or just to listen and watch me play with makeup. I don't know what you were doing, but I hope you do enjoy it. If you do, make sure you hit the like button. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan. We are judgment free and judgment free here. We welcome everyone here. And of course, we might be a lot of tad crazy, but we're cute at the same time. And of course, make sure you hit the notification bell to be notified of any new videos that I upload. Yeah, I'm very excited to do something like this, colorful. Out of my comfort zone and having fun. But yeah. So, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye!